Are you stuck in the cycle of common money traps that drain your wealth and keep you in the middle-class grind? These pitfalls can seriously hinder your financial health, often leaving you dependent on each paycheck with limited opportunities for growth. Many of us navigate life on autopilot, unaware of the small habits and choices that are preventing us from creating the wealth we truly desire. It can feel like there's never enough left over to invest in what matters most, whether that's saving for retirement or making significant purchases. In this video, we'll dive into the middle-class money traps that may be holding you back and explore practical strategies to break free. By identifying and addressing these issues, you can pave the way to financial freedom and start living the life you've always wanted. Welcome to Sage Investing, bringing you timeless investing wisdom. If you're looking to improve your investing knowledge, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this useful. Number 1. Not knowing what you're invested in. If you want to set yourself up for a secure retirement, learning the basics of investing is one of the smartest moves you can make. Let's break it down. Imagine you invest $10,000 and add $500 each month for 30 years. A 7% return would give you $682,000. But with a 10% return, you'd have over $1.2 million. That's a whopping difference of $578,000, all from knowing how to invest wisely. Don't let a lack of knowledge cost you that kind of money. Number 2. Actively trading. Trying to outsmart the market by picking speculative stocks or timing the ups and downs might seem exciting, but it's usually a losing game. While legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch can outperform the market, most people can't, due to fees, taxes, and emotional decision-making. In fact, just matching the S&P 500's average 10% annual return puts you ahead of most investors. The allure of timing the market is strong, but it often causes you to focus on short-term swings instead of staying committed to your long-term financial goals. Number 3. Not tax planning. If you're not paying attention to taxes, you could be missing out on huge savings. Taxes are often your biggest expense, so getting smart about them is key. Wealthy individuals focus on lowering their taxable income by using tools like IRAs, 401ks, Roth IRAs, and real estate investments. Business owners have even more tricks up their sleeves with deductions and write-offs. By working with a CPA, you can discover legal ways to reduce your tax bill and keep more of what you earn. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your finances without making more money. Number 4. Being unwilling to make changes. Letting fear of change hold you back can stifle your financial growth. Making tough decisions, like relocating to a more affordable area, bringing in a roommate, or pursuing a new job with better pay, can accelerate your journey toward your financial goals. Embracing discomfort is often essential for making meaningful progress. Sometimes, stepping out of your comfort zone is precisely what you need to achieve your dreams. Number 5. Not buying a house. Skipping out on homeownership could mean missing one of your best investment opportunities. According to Federal Reserve data, homeowners enjoy an average net worth of $255,000, while renters average only $6,000. When you own a home, you build equity by paying down your mortgage and benefiting from the property's appreciation over time. Plus, having a home can pave the way for future financial opportunities, giving you options for leveraging your investment down the road. Number 6. Not taking risks. Embracing risk is crucial for growth. Whether you're considering a new job, switching careers, or launching a business, taking risks is necessary for moving forward. While it's smart to prepare for possible setbacks by building up savings or having a backup plan, don't let the fear of risk hold you back from seizing opportunities. Sometimes the biggest rewards come from stepping outside your comfort zone. Number 7. Spending money because you deserve to. It's common to splurge on luxuries because you believe you've earned it after all your hard work. But is it truly a reward if it puts you in a tight financial spot? For instance, buying that shiny new car may feel like a treat, but the long-term stress of payments could outweigh any immediate satisfaction. Before indulging, consider whether the expense is genuinely rewarding or just a temporary thrill that might hinder your financial progress. Number 8. Claiming you don't care about money. Many people claim they don't care about money. But the truth is that money plays a crucial role in almost every part of our lives. They might spend 40 hours a week earning a less than stellar paycheck and live in homes that fit their budget rather than their dreams. While it's perfectly fine to not aspire to be wealthy, acknowledging the importance of money is essential since it influences your choices and quality of life. Understanding its impact can help you make more informed decisions for your future. Number 9. Keeping the wrong career. Many individuals find themselves trapped in careers that are unfulfilling or poorly paid. Ideally, you'd choose the right path from the get-go, but that isn't always the reality. The good news is that it's never too late to pivot. With a well-thought-out plan and clear goals, you can switch careers, boost your earnings, or even launch your own business. Embracing change could lead you to a more satisfying and lucrative future. Number 10. Thinking none of these will work for you. One mindset that can keep you stuck is the belief that these strategies won't apply to you. Although building wealth may come more easily to some than others, the truth is that making sacrifices, taking risks, and embracing change can dramatically enhance your financial situation. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Adopting a proactive attitude can lead you to the success you desire. Escaping these toxic money traps doesn't have to involve a complete upheaval of your life. Even small adjustments can lead to significant improvements. By taking action today, you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future. So why wait? Start now and watch the positive changes unfold.